Today we are gonna make a flying game. So first we will remove the cat sprite and then go to background and take blue sky to background and then go to the sprite and go animals and take cat flying. So we are gonna move the sprite and take another sprite heart. So again we are going to do it to the sprite and take the building sprite. So we are going to place the building sprite here and the heart sprite here. So first we are going to do the code of cat sprite. So we are going to go to the events block and take when green flag clicked and go to looks and take say hello for 2 seconds and change hello to time to fly, and then again go to the events block and take when space key pressed and then take a right arrow and then go to the motion block and change x by 10 and again go to the events block and take change space key pressed and then take left arrow and again go to the motion block and change to x by -10. So we are gonna go to the variables.
Why this -10?
-10.
Why? What is the reason you chosen -10? And what is the reason you have chosen x by 10? This is because you are intending to fly them into x-axis.
When we put minus,
if you are taking the clicking on the right key, which you have chosen over there as in press right,
it will
go for the 10 pixel on the right side for x-axis. Similarly, if you choose the left key, it will go -10 pixel from the on the x-axis. That is the reason you have chosen 10 pixel plus 10 pixel minus for this one. If you want to go it up and down, you need to choose as in y axis also. Y axis will also go into the plus and the minus. Okay. The first button which you have created, which is saying when flag clicked, this is a function which is defining something to perform. So it's like a start button, and you say time to fly for 2 seconds. If that much time it will fly, correct?
No, it has to say time to fly for 2 seconds.
So this is flying for 2 seconds when you are using this 2.
Yes.
If you make it 10, it will fly for the 10 seconds. And then it will get stopped, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead please.
So we will go to the make a variable and then choose new variable and then name it as score and then click.
So this variable is containing your all the scores, right? Whatever the things is going to be happen, that scoring is going to be calculated under the score variable.
So now we are gonna go to the events block and take when green flag clicked and then again go to the variable block.
So why this again green flag clicked you have chosen? Is it again the same for the cat flying, or this will be for the heart?
This will be for the score, and when it will touch the heart, so it will turn 1. So that is
okay. Okay, got it.
So we will take the set my variable to 0 and change it to score and then again go to the control.
So default score will always be 0, right?
No, it will change. It will
no by default it will be 0. That's why it is mentioned as a 0.
Yes. Then we will go to the variable block and change my variable, and then my variable to score.
So forever block is basically for that will not stop until the game you are not going to close. So that's the reason you have chosen forever.
Yes.
If you calculate it for the certain time limit, it will not be forever. And again the score will increase by 1. So if you increase the score by 2, that will increase the every time it will calculate as a 2.
Yes.
Right?
So now we are gonna
You remove that
yes.
from there.
Right. Then we are gonna go to the again to control block and take if not this one if then, and then go to the sensing block and take touching my mouse pointer and place it here.
Why you are placing it
not
here?
Not here. So now we are gonna change it to heart, and then we are gonna press this change score by 1. So the cat's code is done. So we are gonna do the heart code now. So we are gonna go to the events block and take when green flag clicked, and now we are gonna go to the control block and take forever, and then go to the motion block and take go to random positions, and now we are gonna go change X by 250.
Oh, so it will move up to 250 pixels, huh?
Yes.
Okay. And this
is for heart.
I know. So this will be the random position for this heart, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it will move automatically and you need to try to follow
Yes.
with your cat to touch that heart.
Yes, now we are gonna take repeat 10. So we are gonna place it here, and then again go to the motions block and take change X by 10, and change 10 to negative 15, and the hard code is also done. So we are gonna go to the building code, and again we are gonna go to the events block and take when green flag clicked, and go to the control block and take forever, and go to now we are gonna go to the motion block and take change X by 10, and we are gonna change 10 to 250 again. Wait. Wait. So we have changed it to 250, and now we are going to go to the controls block and take repeat 10, and we are going to change 10 to 50. Wait. Now it is 50, so we are going to go to the motion block and take change X by 10, and then gonna change 10 to negative 10. So the game is ready. So this is how we are gonna play. When you touch the red heart, it gets doubled. You get one more score. So this is the game. Thank you for watching.